How to check MTN airtime balance. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come down here and then come and select the core key just like this one and then press on it. The next thing you have to do is to come and then select the key button and then tap on it, okay, so that the keys will be displayed just like this one. What you have to do is to simply come and then dial the short code that is going to let you to know your airtime balance by simply coming to click on the star, and then the next thing I have to do is to simply come here and then type the next number, that is 1, okay. After pressing on the 1, what you have to do is to simply come and then press on the 2, okay, so press on the 2 and then come and then press on the 4 just like this one, and then simply come down here to where we have the hashtag, okay, and then come and then press on it. What you have to do next is that you have to come and then select the SIM slot where your MTN SIM card is located, okay, either slot 1 or 2. Mine is on slot 1, so I'm going to select slot 1 and then I come and then tap on it, okay. So when you tap on it, you will see that your balance will be displayed just like this one, okay. So this is how to know exactly the remaining airtime balance on your SIM card, okay. Just like the video, and then if you have any questions, put it down in the comment down below, and see you in my next video.